46% of new drivers in the UK fail their first driving theory test. Do you know the main reason? Research shows that most of them fail simply because of lack of proper preparation. Because you cannot just walk in and hope to pass. You need to prepare smartly. If you don't follow the right strategy, plan your study routine, and practice regularly, passing on the first attempt can be really tough. In today's video, we will show you the right strategy to prepare smartly and pass your theory test with confidence. Today we will cover which app to use, and which book to read for the driving theory test, also where to get them, how much they cost, and most importantly, the best strategy to study effectively. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so you never miss any update. If you have already booked your theory test date, now is the time to start preparing smartly. Many people struggle to find an earlier test date, but there are some tricks you can use to book your test faster. We have already made a video on that topic, so if you are interested, check out the I button or the link in the description box. But for now, let's focus on preparation, because without proper study, even the best test date won't help you to pass the test on your first attempt. But don't worry, we will share with you exactly what to use and how to prepare for the test. There are two main ways to prepare for the theory test, and these are using an app or studying from a book. Now, let's discuss the best app for preparing for the theory test. The first and easiest way to prepare for a test is by using an app, and the official DVSA theory test app is the best choice. You can download it from the Play Store or App Store, and start practicing right away. This app is a game changer and very useful, because it covers all UK traffic rules, road signs, and regulations in a clear and structured way. Plus the app is regularly updated, so you will always have the latest information. It even includes mock tests, which help you to practice in a real exam-like environment. Taking one mock test daily will boost your confidence, and ensure you are fully prepared for the test. And the best part is, it costs only £5. That's a very small investment for ensuring you pass on your first attempt. And next, let's explore another effective method, using the best book for theory test preparation. So, if you prefer learning from books, the DVSA theory test book is your best option. This book explains all traffic rules and road signs in a very simple and easy to understand way. It's perfect for those who like to read and take notes while studying. You can order it from Amazon, and it will be delivered to your doorstep in just 1 to 2 days. Whether you choose the app or the book, the key is to stay consistent and practice daily. Now, the most important thing is to fully understand the rules, not just memorize answers, and practice regularly to build confidence. Taking mock tests daily will help you identify your weak areas, and build confidence before the actual exam. So, choose the method that works best for you, and start preparing today. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And of course, press the bell icon, so you never miss any update. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and we will do our best to answer. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.